Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going back again with our Colmi P73 Smartwatch. And this time we are going to check one of its smart features, the music control function. We will check whether it works with the music player on your phone, the YouTube app, as well as the YouTube Music and the Spotify application. So we are going to check on that. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, as well as the Colmi P73, especially on the music control function, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and explore the music function of the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. Okay, so we are already paired with the support app. Okay, we have here the Pubu Wear support app. And seems like we don't have any, okay, options for the music control function here. There's no settings. I guess we have to use it right away, or you can use it directly automatically without any settings here to set. Okay, so let's check. Let's open our music player here on our smartphone, and we have here a music player. So let's try to activate one of the or play one of the music. We have evolution, and let's see. And we have here. Okay, so as you can see here, it automatically connects and set the smartwatch, okay, when you play the music here. Okay, let's listen. Adjust the volume. Next. So there's a bit of delayed. Next. Okay, so there's a bit of delay here, so let's see. Let's go to our Bluetooth connectivity. Maybe there are other applications that is using P73. We have the C20 Pro. Let's unpair. We have the Redmi Watch 3. Pair. Okay, so we are only using the P73. So let's check again. Oh, we have an ad here. Courtesy by Xiaomi. So it is one of the reasons why I'm not buying any Xiaomi smartphone. I really hate the ads. Okay, let's go back. Okay, what's next? Play. Can we switch to the next song? Dreams. Next. Okay, it works, but there's a delay, as you can see. Stop. And let's see. So the action here is slow, as you can see. I don't know if the problem is with our smartphone or the smartwatch, but we use it with other smartwatch also, and seems like the music control player or remote music works okay. But here with our P73, it is a bit slow. And now it works, as you can see. Next, okay. Just a delay. I think it's due to the connectivity on the Bluetooth. Can adjust the volume. Increase the volume. Go back. Let's see. Next. It vibrates, but it doesn't change right away. Okay, let me. Okay, so you have to press, okay, here on this side, because sometimes you accidentally press the pause button here. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Press here. As you can see, it works fast. Okay, so it works. It's okay. Just make it sure that you are pressing far away from the center. Next. So the music player works. Okay. I thought we had an issue with the Bluetooth connectivity. I guess the placement of the button here is the issue. You'll really have to press here on this side. Next. As you can see, I have to press here on the side of the screen. Not on the icon itself, but here on the side. Stop. Okay, so it works with the music player. Then next, let's try the YouTube music here. I don't know if this will switch. Let's see. Non-stop slow rock right now. Okay, the YouTube music has been loaded, so let's try. As you can see here, it activated one of the songs. Okay, we opened earlier, so let's see with this one from Black Eyed Peas. Shut up. As you can see here, it works. Next. Then next. Next. Previews. Let's see. Okay. Okay, again, let's go to the next song. Previous song. And let's listen. Play. Stop. Okay, so it works with the YouTube music application. Okay, it's a bit slow, but it works. The next, Spotify application. Let's see if this thing will switch to the Spotify application. Okay, and we have it here. Okay, so it switched to the new song available here on Spotify. Let's try to select this one. Recently played. Okay, and it switches here, as you can see. Next. Next song. Next song. And next song. Okay, so it works for the Spotify music player. Okay. Then next, we'll open the YouTube application. Okay, I don't know if this will switch also to the YouTube song or YouTube video. So let's try this one. Black Eyed Peas. Okay, as you can see here, it switched to the new video or new song. Okay, next. Next. Okay, where's the love? Next. Stop. Play. Go to the previous song. Go back. Next. Next song. And that's it. So it works with the YouTube application also. It works with Spotify, YouTube Music, music player on your phone, and the YouTube app. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the music player on our Colmi P73, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!